Hello everyone, welcome back to Ask Nehru. I am Nehru and today we are going to explore the switchMap operator in RxJS. So this operator is unique because it cancels the previous observable when a new one is emitted, which is really useful when working with the API request that should be cancelled if a new one comes in. So let's dive in the code and see it in action with the Angular example. So now we have given an array of user IDs 1, 3, 4, 6, and 8, and I'm going to convert this simple array as observable emission. Okay, I have made it as observable that emits user IDs one after another and keep a pipe operator in order to handle switch map. Okay, so this switch map, so I take the switch map and I take the ID as well. So this is going to emit the ID and we are going to handle one more observable, that is nothing but API service that get data from address. Okay, so the similar kind of implementations I have given in the last videos as well while explaining concat map. So in this I'm going to explain switch map, what the switch map does. Okay, so this switch map simply takes the emitted IDs, the emitted observables. Okay, it is being emitted, so and assign into another observable. So this is also observable. So this get data from address is an observable, you can say it. So this is an observable. Okay, we are calling the API calls, so it is locally running. So this call is called when we specifically given a particular IDs and this API calls comes. So this is locally running. I want to show you that also. Yes, here it is. So this 8080 API addresses. Okay, in our example, it is the 8080 API addresses. So it's an array of objects, but if you want to have only the first IDs, then we can pass a particular ID and we can get only this particular objects or records, we can say. Okay, now in our case, I don't want everything. So I simply want only 1, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, so switch map takes everything one after another and only takes the latest one, I mean the recent one, and cancels all other API calls. Okay, so it cancels all of them and gives only the latest one. So let's see how it works. So in order to understand, I just I subscribe to it, and there will be value that comes out. I console the value, that's all, simple. Okay, now let me save it and see the result. Since I have given these executions within the ng onIt lifecycle hook, so initially itself we can see the result. So look at here. Yes, so RxJS component TS21, this is line number 21. So this is the line number 21, so it's been printed. So only the latest value, that means here the latest value is 8. 8 is emitted at last. So it cancels all other previous request. So we can see this network as well. I go to network and see here. Okay. See, there are no response. No response, no response, no response, because it's cancelled all of them. But here the response come, the 8. Okay, so the 8 is Ramanna Street, Ravi Chandra name. So let's compare with the things. Okay, see, we taken the 8th one, Ramanna Street, Ravi Chandra. So this is how it works, guys. Okay, it is so simple, but I want to explain one more thing. So what merge map will do? Okay, I just give that scenario as well. So I change to merge map and save the application. Let's see the result. Okay, fine. So merge map is emitted. I go here and look at the console. See guys, all the API call have done. So ID 1, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Six of them are emitted. Okay, this is merge map is useful to get all the specific IDs, all of the specific IDs, but switch map is useful only if we want the recent one. And in the network also, I want to show you. See, uh, the headers address one is passed, the response comes with the returned records. You see the next set of records, next set of records. So in the merge map, so all of them are called, but in switch map only one is called. Okay, and I like to tell you one more examples what the concat map will do. Concat map will also do as good as merge map, but concat map is useful when you want them in order. But in merge map, the order is not assured, although here it is given in the order wise, but it concurrently called. Okay, it's not called one after another, it's concurrently called. But in concat map, everything called one after another. If one API call completes, another API call starts. If this completes, and another next one starts. So, by the way, uh, we explained everything merge map, concat map, switch map in this video. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends if you feel they will also be helped. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.